And thank you for joining us with those details. Shifting focus now, the Indian carrier Indigo has started direct flights to the Chinese city of Guangzhou. China Eastern Airlines too has announced that it will launch a direct flight between Shanghai and Delhi from November 9th, operating three times a week. In breaking news, a China Eastern flight will depart from Delhi to Shanghai on November 9. A few days ago, Indigo launched flights from Kolkata to Guangzhou. The China Eastern flight will depart from Delhi at 8 p.m. and arrive in Shanghai on 10th morning. The return flight will depart from Shanghai at 12:30 p.m. and arrive in Delhi at 6 p.m. I am joined by my colleague Arzu Seth on the broadcast. Arzu, we're seeing a thaw in ties between India and China, and flights have resumed between both the countries as well. How significant do you think this is for both the countries, talking in terms of bilateral ties?
Well, definitely this can be seen as a breakthrough between the relation between China and India. And in fact, Chinese airline China Eastern is set to begin its Delhi-Shanghai flight from today itself after Indigo flight that departed from Kolkata, marking the resumption of the flight service between the two countries after a gap of 5 years. So definitely the China Eastern flight will leave Delhi at 8 p.m. today itself and arrive in Shanghai early morning, and it will leave Shanghai at around 12:30 p.m. and reach Delhi by evening 6 p.m. The flight will operate on alternate days, and India's Consul General in Shanghai, who plans to greet the passenger coming from Delhi by the China Eastern flight, said that the resumption of the flight service will, usher in a new age of greater connectivity and encourage the stronger people-to-people ties between India and also the fastest growing economy and the business hub for the Eastern China region led by Shanghai. So definitely this is one of the big breakthrough between both the countries and showing that now the India and China's relationship are on the track back. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you for